Hi everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. I'm going to do a painting for you with some leftovers. This painting here behind me I just did. If you missed the video, I'll link it and you can watch that if you want. But this is going to be leftovers from that. There was all flip cups for that, and I just saved the all the empty cups with a little bit of paint in the bottom, and I'm going to put it on this canvas. It's not very big. I didn't measure it. I think it's something like 20 by 16 maybe. I have it on a spinner, so I have it flooded in black, and I'm gonna put all these cups on and let them pour out, and then I'm gonna spin it out. So there's no real order. There's no order. I'm just gonna put them all on here. I have no idea what this is gonna look like, obviously. I'll put them here and let them sit for a bit. And I also have this cup of some of the lighter colors I was gonna put towards the center of this painting, but then I end up not needing it, so I'm gonna put it here and kind of let it hopefully pour all through the cracks. So I should have put this one on first probably. I don't know how I'm gonna do this now. I'm just spilling it everywhere. We'll try. Okay, well I spilled some of it, but this is just for fun anyway. It's a nice way to use leftover paint. Okay, I waited a few minutes for these paints to all run down to the bottom. I'm gonna take this middle one off first, and then I'm gonna try to get it to run between a little bit. I just think that if I take all the cups off and then try to spread this one around, it's just going to cover everything. Just want to kind of get it spread out a bit enough that, and then the spinning should take care of the rest. A little bit down past these cups. That's probably enough. Bring it a little closer. I had to plug my phone in, so I can't bring the camera closer. I'm just going to come closer to the camera. There was like 2% left, and I didn't want to wait. So I have it plugged in. All right. Let's take these off, see what we got. Ooh, it's pretty. It looks kind of cool though. I mean, just for playing around. These. I think it looks kind of cool. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. I kind of like it. I'm gonna just give it a little torch. Okay, hopefully my phone doesn't die, so I can bring you down and show you. It turned out pretty neat. Very different. Let me know what you think.